Have you had your hair cut? With Kim Griffiths English.
Hi, Sandy. Have you cut your hair?
Hi, no, I haven't.
Oh, come on. It's much shorter.
No, really, I haven't.
Well, it's a mystery then.
It isn't a mystery. My hair is shorter, but I didn't cut it. The hairdresser cut it.
Then why didn't you say yes when I asked you if you cut your hair?
Because in English, if you ask, have you cut your hair, you're asking if I cut it myself with my own hands and scissors. It's like the question, have you brushed your teeth? I am asking if you did it yourself.
So how do I ask the correct question?
For haircuts and services that other people do for you, we use the structure to have something done or to get something done. It lets people know you didn't do it yourself. For example, in my house, I had my tap fixed. Or in the garden, I have the grass cut every month. Actually, I need to get my nails painted.
Okay, so have you had your hair cut?
Yes, I have. Do you like it?
Of course, it looks great.
Have you had your ear pierced?
Yes, at the chemist shop. I love it.
It looks fantastic, Nadia.
Thank you.
Unless. Have you cut your hair yourself?
Yes, I did.
Have you pierced your ear yourself?
I have.
So remember, 4. Actions that other people have done for us, like paint our house, cut our hair, pierced our ears. I've had something done, past participle. Subscribe and watch more. Click like and share this with your friends. Leave me a comment with an example sentence. This is Kim Griffiths English.